Testing a rough diamond at home can be an exciting experience, especially if you are curious about verifying the authenticity of your stone. One simple and safe method to get an initial indication of whether a diamond is real involves using water. This method leverages the unique density and transparency of diamonds compared to other stones. What you will need: a glass of water, a rough diamond or suspected diamond, optional magnifying glass. Step-by-step procedure. 1. Clean the stone. Before testing, make sure your rough diamond is clean. Dirt, oils, or residues can affect the results. Rinse the stone under running water and gently dry it with a soft cloth. 2. Fill a glass with water. Take a clear glass and fill it with water. Ensure the water level is sufficient to fully submerge the stone. 3. Place the stone in water. Gently drop the stone into the glass. Observe how it behaves in the water. 4. Observe the behavior. Real diamond. A real diamond has a high density. It will typically sink quickly to the bottom of the glass. Fake diamond or other stones, less dense stones such as cubic zirconia or quartz, may float or sink slowly. 5. Optional, magnifying observation. Use a magnifying glass to observe the stone underwater. Real diamonds have sharp edges and unique internal patterns that are different from most fake stones. Tips and cautions. This method is not 100% conclusive. It provides an initial indication, but cannot replace professional testing. For more accurate results, consider other home tests like the fog test, scratch test, or using a UV light. Avoid using harsh chemicals or excessive force to prevent damaging your stone. Conclusion. Testing rough diamonds at home with water is a simple and safe first step to check their authenticity. By observing the stone's behavior in water, you can get clues about its density, which helps distinguish a real diamond from common imitations. For final verification, always consult a professional jeweler or use a certified diamond testing kit.